Hello and welcome back to Josh Does Math. In this video we're going to be doing a limit problem. So we're looking at the limit as x goes to infinity of the function 9x to the 45th power minus x to the 9th power plus 2 all over 3x to the 45th power plus x to the 29th minus 19. So you can see there's some very large exponents here. So your first thought might be to plug in infinity. We're probably going to get infinity over infinity or 0 over 0, something like that, and then you factor the numerator and denominator. But that's actually not the case here because there's no way for us without some kind of computer to be able to factor this. But we'll plug in infinity and see what we get. So in the numerator here we have infinity to the 45th times 9, that's just infinity, minus infinity to the 9th, so we'll say minus infinity. And the plus 2 here, we can just leave it off because it's insignificant. In the denominator here, we have infinity to the 45th times 3, so that's going to be infinity. Plus infinity to the 29th, that's also infinity. So infinity plus infinity is infinity. And minus 19, which, once again, it's insignificant. So we're left with this, which, let's say you want to split it up into two fractions here. You can say infinity over infinity minus infinity over infinity. But no matter which way you look at this is indeterminate here because you can't tell the size of the infinities. And each of these is also indeterminate. So there's no way for us to tell what's going on with this. So we have to do something to remedy these indeterminate forms. Well, here's the general approach for these problems as x goes to infinity whenever you're trying to get out of the infinity over infinity indeterminate form. If I divide by the highest power of x, this is what the function becomes. 9 minus x to the 9 over x to the 45 plus 2 over x to the 45 all over 3 plus x to the 29 over x to the 45 minus 19 over x to the 45. So this is what we get. Now, maybe you can see where I'm going with dividing by the highest power. Some of these simplify a little further. This term right here and this term. So we end up getting 9 minus, and now we have 1 over, this is going to be x to the 36th power. I just subtracted the exponents, 9 minus 45, which is negative 36, so it's in the denominator here, plus 2 over x to the 45. In the denominator we have 3 minus 3 plus x to the 29 over x to the 45, so I'm going to subtract the exponents again. So I end up with 1 over x to the x to the 16th power in the denominator minus 19 over x to the 45th. So now that I wrote it this way, you can probably see how this simplifies. At this point, I'll plug in infinity. Every single fraction that involves x now becomes 0 because 1 over infinity is just 0. So we're left with just 9 over 3 after I plug in infinity. And this simplifies down to 3. So the final answer for this is the limit is equal to 3. So that's how you do these limit problems that involve infinity. Thanks for watching.